Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turned the inside of my wardrobes into a little colourful rainbow magic haven. Um, but yeah, I upcycled inside my wardrobe so that when you open up there's like a pop of colour because my bedroom is really neutral. I thought this would be a really nice way that when the wardrobe doors are open there's a bit of colour. So let's get into how I did it. So first up, I got these steel pull-out drawers, and then I just spray painted them in pastel colors. I didn't use any primer or varnish or anything like that, literally just spray paint. I used whatever I had, I think it was Montana spray paint. Then I got a bunch of wooden hangers we already had, and I just spray painted them to match. How gorgeous. So I just brought them out to the garage. I gave them a rough sand because you know your clothes are going to go on them, so you want them to, the paint to adhere to them pretty well. I taped off the top of the hanger, as you can see here, just with a bit of masking tape, and then I just lined them up on the ground and spray painted them. You could also hang them somewhere and spray paint them that way, but this was just easiest for me, and that is what I did. No primer, no varnish on these either, but just gave them a really good sand and then spray painted away. As for organizing my wardrobe, I wanted them to go into little boxes, but I wanted to still be able to see the colors, so I didn't want anything too much. So I got a bunch of white boxes in IKEA, and I'm going to use them to organize the inside of the steel pull-out drawers. I also got this hanging sort of beige color thing in IKEA, and I got some really nice like same color beige fabric box type things. I don't know what you call them, like fabric bags. I don't know, but I'm using them to like store tights and socks and knickers and stuff like that. But this hanging one I'm using to store jumpers, because they're the most colorful thing I own. So I thought they'd be nice if I could have them all looking nice and colorful. I've been trying to upgrade my wardrobe with all colorful things from getting stuff from like the charity shop and stuff like that. And it's been difficult. I've bought a lot of color, but it's hard to then style it, I guess. So, any styling tips or any of your favorite influencers that do like colorful outfits, not even colorful, just like colored outfits rather than black, um, drop them in the comments below. I would love to know who you follow for that kind of stuff. Because I've got some really nice pieces now, but I just don't know how to wear them and like what to wear together and stuff without it looking like I've just walked out of the charity shop with everything I could find. I just want some cohesion. You know, I want it to look like it's intentional. So this was before I got the white fabric boxes. As you can tell, the blue just sort of takes away from, like it's like a parent blue box there, and it just takes away from seeing the actual steel painted pull-out drawers. So then when that was done, I was like, why stop there? And I decided to paint the inside of the wardrobe doors this gorgeous mint green. I had it left over. It's from Lick Paint. And then I decided to do a checkerboard pattern because I love doing that. Here it is matching my nails. So it's checkerboard pattern with like pinks, purples, and a nice blue one thrown in just randomly. I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you think and if you would try this out at home. And yeah, what do you think? I also labeled the steel drawers using my Cricut because I couldn't not. But anyway, let me know what you think and make sure you like and subscribe.